So, इनकी एक झलक से ही जो उड़ा देती है लोगों के दिलों के फ्यूज, टॉलीवुड से लेकर बॉलीवुड तक इनकी फैन फॉलोइंग है बड़ी ही ह्यूज। अपनी अदाओं से जो लोगों को दीवाना बनाने की है अक्यूज, प्लीज वेलकम द वेरी प्रिटी, द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इलियाना डिक्रूज।
Oh my God, that was so well done. Thank you.
I am
Oh,
RJ Sana from My FM and I host a morning show in Amritsar. Have you been to Amritsar?
no, but I'm dying to come there.
I would love to host you then. Here also.
Definitely soon for sure.
Yes.
But
So
thank you
tell
for
me,
that. That was so sweet. I feel very special. Thank you.
you are especially you're very pretty, you're very beautiful. I was so excited for this interview. I can't tell you. So basically, I
Oh,
come, to my show. Like मेरा show सुबह 7 बजे शुरू होता है, 7 a.m. And I was like,
wow.
damn, no matter what, how long this beautiful girl takes, I would stay here in the studio back then.
Not bad. 10 hours later, you're still like, wow. Well done.
Thanks. So how are you? Tell me, how's everything going?
All good, excited, nervous. A little more than a week, and the film is coming out. So very excited.
You still get nervous? Do you
Oh
still get
yes.
nervous?
Oh yes. It's like the first film all over again. Absolutely. Very, very every that's the best part I think about my job, that every film in a way is like a little test, you know. So I think it's good. It keeps you grounded.
It does keep you grounded, and I'm pretty much sure that it's gonna rock for people. Let me tell you that I would want to congratulate Ileana for the new upcoming movie, The Big Bull, which is releasing on 8th of April on Disney Plus Hotstar. So congratulations. बहुत
Thank
ही
you.
we all, like, come on, like I became your fan with Barfi man. Now see, उसमें भी इतने भोले से इतने प्यारे से आप लग रहे थे, and hoping this also turns very well.
ये तो बिल्कुल opposite है. She is incredibly bold and spunky and intelligent, and she's quite a badass.
Uh-huh.
So quite the opposite of the sweet character in Burfi, but equally fun to play, and was amazing. It was an experience in itself. So I can't wait for you to watch it.
यस डेफिनेटली। अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ कि कोविड के अभी भी चलो चल ही रहा है, बट गेटिंग
जी.
बैक टू सेट्स, उसका एक्सपीरियंस बताओ, हाउ वाज इट? एक साल पूरा घर पे निकाला एंड देन
Nerve-wracking था यार. I mean, getting back on set was very stressful. और I think, you know, maybe क्या होता है कि most of the people who are on set have their mask on, but as actors you cannot keep your mask on
हाँ जी
24/7. So shots के बीच में of course I could keep my mask on, but like, you know, during the shot you have to forget about COVID, forget about everything and just shoot and act normal. So it was pretty hard initially. I think पहले एक दो दिन के लिए तो I was very stressed, and शायद मेरे director को भी मैंने काफी stress दिया था, but he was very nice. He was very accommodating. And you know, I think they all took a lot of really good precaution. So thankfully we shot it with no hiccups, no problems, and we managed to finish everything very smoothly. So it was quite tricky initially, but you know, after some time you just have to forget everything, and you get kind of lost in this world that is, in our case, the big bull. So we just got lost in that, and we was it's set in the 90s, so there's no COVID in the 90s. Yeah, come on.
yeah
So it was an experience for sure, but it was fun. It was
yes.
really fun being back on set.
So how much did you miss acting? Like, you know, एक पूरे time में when you were just back there at your place, so what was something that you actually learned? कुछ ऐसा lesson आपने learn किया? Because I will tell you my story. So basically when I was home, my mama has a complaint कि सना तो तू cooking तो कर ही नहीं सकती कभी जिंदगी में. You don't cook. So I actually learned how to make gobi aloo. I'm not even kidding.
अरे
You know?
वाह, not bad.
Did you do something like ऐसा apart from your regular routine?
घर पे?
हाँ हाँ.
Oh yeah, I mean, see, I live alone. I don't have any help, so anyway I cook and clean.
Oh,
But I learned how to make bread. That was a new thing for
oh,
me. I learned how
great.
to make sourdough. I did very well. I got orders from all my friends, so I would make them bread half the time. Um, और क्या? I used to paint a
Dalgona
lot.
coffee. Did you try that?
Oh God, yes, I did.
And did you like really like it? I didn't. या तो मुझे
Average
पता
था
नहीं है.
यार. हमारा जो regular cold coffee है वो better है. You know, genuinely, I mean, it's overhyped. It looked really great, but it was overhyped.
It looks very good. Yeah, honestly. Okay, so you're playing the role of a journalist, right? So if
जी.
you any which ways had to be a journalist, supposedly, so would you be the one who does sports, entertainment, or otherwise, crime journalist? How would you take that?
I would definitely get into crime. So fascinating.
It is.
I mean, I've always been interested in psychology, ki kya exactly goes through these people's minds when they, and like, psychopaths, how do they sleep? How do they not have a conscience? All of that. So understanding the psyche of a killer would be really interesting.
Yes, yes,
Mm.
yes. So this is the entire story is based on Harshad Mehta scam, right? So it is like the biggest scam.
It is based, no, it's based on a lot of different events.
Acha.
I think it's a very common misconception that lots of people
Okay.
have had, that it's only based on this one story. No, it's based on lots of different events that happened at that time.
Oh,
So
okay.
मेरा जो character है, I am a financial journalist, but it's not based on one particular person, like, so,
Acha. Oh,
I mean, I
wow.
haven't done any homework on anybody in particular.
Okay, okay.
And yeah, so I think Hemant Shah, the character that Abhishek is playing, is amazing. It's such a in a way inspirational, like the kind of work he puts in, the ambition he has, how he reaches where he does. And I think Abhishek has become Hemant Shah in the film. I don't see him as Abhishek. I see him as Hemant, and he's nailed the character. So it's a great story. It's For me, it was a fantastic character to play because she's such an intelligent woman. She's such a strong woman. She's so gutsy. I mean, like, she basically single-handedly brings down this man, and I think it was really great to see that. So
Yes.
yeah.
And also with Ajay Devgan, you're working. He's the producer, right? So you're working with him again. Like, how is Ajay sir? Now tell me about that. I really want. I कोई ऐसे sets पे कोई scam किया, कोई मस्ती की sets पे.
So as a producer, Ajay is probably he's like an invisible producer. I never saw him on set.
Okay.
I don't think he ever came on set. I'm trying to
Acha.
think. He didn't come on set even once, at least not when I was there.
He took
So,
COVID very seriously. Then I must say he stayed right there at his place.
I mean, even COVID ke pehle, when we were
Acha.
shooting, there was like I mean, he's again, I think, one of those producers who doesn't interfere too much in the shooting process, which is great for the director at least. As a co-star, he's amazing to work with. He's a very sort of quiet co-star. He observes a lot. He doesn't give a lot of input. And kabhi kabhi, I think, if I've asked him for a suggestion, he'll give it to me. So I really like that. He gives you your space as an actor. It's really great. So he's one of the most no nonsense, fuss free people I've worked with.
So tell me one thing, Ileana, how were you back then in college or maybe school? उस time पर were you this person who would, like, I'll tell you. So basically आप scam करते थे, कोई ऐसे bunk कर लिया या किसी को ऐसे कुछ मस्ती करवा दी. How were you back then, in school? Were you this
School,
naughty kid?
very, very naughty, Baba. It was
हाँ.
extremely naughty. Our problem ये था कि basically my sister and I would go to the same school.
Okay.
She was 3 classes ahead of me,
अच्छा.
and I was the younger one. And she was a model student. She was a great, great student, so well behaved, never gets into trouble. And I was a full badmash. So when I joined high school, they would always call her. They'd be like, "Your sister's not done her homework again. She's outside of class." Sent to the principal office because she brought some fake lizard to school and scared all the girls. I was a brat. I really was. I've smuggled a puppy into school once.
Oh my God! Now that, oh
Yes.
wow.
Yeah, I've smuggled a puppy into school during my exams. I told one of the nuns, I said, "Please take care of him. I'll finish my exam and I'll take it home." So I've actually done that. I got away with it.
And then how were you, like, marks आते थे कि उसमें भी घर पे comparison होता होगा क्योंकि normally siblings में होता है ना comparison, उसके देख कैसे आए हैं and you look at
No,
your.
no, 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 no. Families में हमारे family में तो we never had comparison in that sense.
Hmm.
But marks wise, I did very well.
Hmm.
है मतलब है थोड़ा सा तो है यहाँ पे दिमाग मतलब चलता है.
Right, right. So when this role, जब आपके पास आया that you had to play journalist, so how did it feel and were you like all full on ready for this? This is another, like, I was just thinking कि बहुत ही different role है and you have done like amazing beautiful roles. जब ये वाला role आया journalist का, then how did you react?
I was very excited initially, or I was like, yeah, bilkul, it's a very, very strong role. I'd love to be a part of it. But sign करने के बाद there was that nervousness कि how am I going to play this, because I don't know anything about a journalist, I don't know anything about financial journalism. तो nervousness तो बहुत थी, but the nice thing about Cookie is that he didn't put that stress on me. You know, he gave me the script and he let me read the story, and I basically just tried to make it my own in a way, and I didn't need to do any kind of preparation. So he gave me that freedom. I remember from the first day onwards, he's like, okay, you know, do it how you normally would do it, like in your way. And it was great. So he would give me inputs here and there, and that was about it. It was kind of refreshing working with someone like Cookie, because I like having the director telling me, okay, how do you want me to do this? Do you want me to play it like this or like that? He's very like, no, you've understood the scene, you do it your way, let's see. So in a way, it's nerve-wracking. It's kind of scary because like, oh, okay. But at the same time, it was great working with him. It was lovely working with him.
मतलब वो flow में हो गया. It came to you, you were not.
बिल्कुल.
But it is very hard for me to digest कि मतलब it is actually good also that you still, you know, you get that nervousness फिर भी आती है, that you have to give your best no matter what. But then I think that's a strange thing also somewhere कि यार अभी भी nervous होते हो आप. Oh God.
Yeah, and I think nervousness होना बहुत जरूरी है, because in a way it keeps you grounded. अगर आप full confidence, overconfidence में, you know, you sign up a film, or you go on set completely overconfident, like, yeah, I got this. I don't think you work as hard. I mean, I'm not one of those people, at least. Maybe for some actors it works. For me, I like having that nervousness. I like वो जो uncertainty होती है कि मैं कैसे करूँगी ये role. How am I going to portray it? Am I going to make her vulnerable? Am I going to make her really strong? That little uncertainty of not knowing how I'm going to do it kind of pushes me to do a better job, I think.
I have learned that, you know, from you. मतलब questions ऐसे मेरे दिमाग में भी चलते रहते हैं. I kind of question myself a lot. Sana, will you be able to do it? Will you not be able to do it? But I think, yeah, it does keep us very grounded. Achha, one thing that Ileana loves about herself.
I like that I'm real.
Oh.
I mean, there's no, excuse my language, bullshit with me. It's very real.
And one thing that you do not like about yourself, you might want to change.
I'm very critical of myself. I'm very real, but I'm also very critical of myself. So I will put myself down in lots of ways at the same time. So, which is also why I don't like watching my film, because I'll criticize myself a lot. I was like, oh, I should have done this.
Tell me.
Oh, I should have done that. Yeah.
Really?
Very, very critical.
So, okay. Did you just say that you don't like watching your own movies?
Yes, I don't like watching my films.
But I think I can relate to that as well, because whenever I listen to myself on radio, I also become very critical, you know?
See? Exactly. I think a lot of people have that. So, yeah.
Acha, so if you wouldn't have been an actress, then और कौन सा आप choose करते career?
The dream career would be a singer. The more realistic career would be a child psychologist.
Did you just say singer?
Yeah, but I'm not going to sing for you.
So the last song, please, come on.
No, that's the problem. I can't sing. I've got massive stage fright. I cannot sing.
Oh, we would have loved to hear you otherwise. Chalo, theek hai, I won't.
See, that's why I said it's a dream job, because it's only going to be in my dreams. I don't know how I'll ever be able to sing in public.
Okay, so, okay, not taking much of your time. One that song you're hooked on to from this movie, क्योंकि ये गाने तो बहुत ही बेमिसाल चल रहे हैं.
Oh, the title track is amazing. It's so peppy and so like, oh. But I'm a softie, so I love Ishq Namaza. It's so beautiful.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking out time. You look beautiful, and I hope this movie does wonders. Fingers crossed for it.
Watch it. Yes. Yes.
Thank you, Ileana. It was lovely talking to you. Bye bye. Have a great day. See you.
You too.